In this video, I'll be replacing this old worn-out thermostat. The buttons are no longer working reliably, and the difficulties in changing the desired temperature are starting to cause higher energy bills. So it's a good time to replace it. Here is the new thermostat I found on Amazon for 24 euros. When choosing a new thermostat, I considered another Google Nest Smart Thermostat, which I've installed in another house, but remembered that typically the smart thermostats require modern thermostat wiring, something close to 5 wires like this. Critically, I remember that the Google Smart Thermostat requires a power source wire from the heating unit. This old thermostat only has 2 communication wires and relies on AA batteries for power, so when selecting a model, I searched for 2-wire thermostat heat only. After removing the old thermostat, I compared the models to identify which 2 terminals the 2 wires would connect to. Both units have 3 terminals total. So the terminals are actually labeled A, B, C. The red wire was in A, blue was in B. So I'll probably just try wiring the new one with red in 1, blue in 2. So next I'm going to take these screws out that are mounting it to the wall. Luckily the new one, they're in a similar place, so they should just go right back in. Won't have to drill any new holes for that. Okay, so luckily these screws were roughly in the same place. Just have to do some touch-up paint along there. Last one was a little bit wider. And then these new terminals are Phillips instead of flatheads. So I'll just find a little Phillips and do the red in 1 and the blue in 2. Initially, I just wired A and B from the old model to 1 and 2 on the new model because that made sense. This ended up being a mistake as it managed to trip the heat on, but it could not switch the boiler back off again. So then I got out the instruction booklet and read this. Heating device requiring 0 voltage contact, e.g. gas boiler. The diagram shows to connect to NO and COM, which are terminals 2 and 3 shown here. After connecting the wires to the terminals as described in the instructions, the thermostat worked perfectly, and we can now turn the boiler on for an hour or 2 in the morning and the evening very easily. Hopefully this video helps somebody out there, and good luck.